I'm hungry. All right. Welcome to the dessert episode. So, this is my favorite dessert. And this dessert is ice cream. It's real ice cream, and it has over 3,000 calories. Now, you may be wondering why would I make a video about a dessert that has a lot of calories where all my other videos have very low calories. That's the reason why. It's because if you've been following my plan, you should be in a calorie deficit right now. So if you've done the breakfast, you've done the lunch, you've done the snack, you would be in a calorie deficit if you've been active, working out, doing whatever you need to do. Okay, now the breakfast video is a little bit over 500 calories. Just because I was really hungry that day. So I had 3 pieces of bread where I should have maybe had 1 or 2. And I had a full potato where should have had half a potato. But still, I have this dessert on a daily basis because I'm always in a calorie deficit. Just to give you an idea, in the summertime, my fat percentage is between 10 to 15%. So it's like this all year around. So 10 to 12% in the summer, 12 to 15% in the wintertime. So the reason also why I have these 3 plates is just to make a point. If you're not that active in the wintertime, the best thing to do is to make your portions smaller. Okay, it kind of tricks your brain. So in the wintertime, what I would do is use a smaller portion for your ice cream or desserts or whatever. And in the summertime, when you're more active, just keep moving up. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to use this one just because I've been very active this week. It's my week off from work. So I've been really active with walking and working out and all that type of stuff. So my portion is going to be really big today. Okay. And the way I like to do this is I like the dark chocolate. So there's a trick to this as well. If you're going to be taking high calories of sugar or any type of dessert, what I like to do is use desserts that have high fiber. So for example, dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate. Almonds has fiber, and granola as well. Okay, usually with the granola, I will get the one that has a high protein, but I couldn't find it in the store. Same thing with honey. Now, honey doesn't have fiber, but it does help your stomach with the digestion. So that's why I like to put a little bit of honey in there. So we're going to start off with the dark chocolate chips. So again, this is going to be high calorie, okay? And with this one. And so this is how I do it. I put everything else, everything in the bottom first, and then I put the ice cream on top. You can do it any way you like, but this is the way I like to do it. It makes it easier for me to eat it and put a whole bunch of stuff on it. Yes, I'm running low on honey, but I got some from the store today. All right. So I like to use just plain vanilla and plain chocolate. You can use any flavors you like, but these are the flavors that I like. All right. And I think I bent it. All right. Okay. So again, if you're active and you're following the plan that I have with the videos, and you're not cheating with that plan, you're basically following it the way I have it set up, you will be in a calorie deficit for sure. You will be in a calorie deficit, especially if you're active. Then you can have the real ice cream. You don't have to have the protein ice cream, okay? Unless you want to do like shows and stuff like that, like bodybuilding shows. But otherwise, if you want to keep your percentage between 10 and 15% body fat while you're active, you can have this every day. And this is what I do. All right? Thanks for watching.